Hey yo, what's poppin' YouTube? It's your boy GB Wolf, aka Gifted Barber, coming at you with another YouTube video. We took a little break and I've been active over there on Facebook, Instagram, but today I'm gonna give y'all some special gems, some elite tips for my beginner waivers. So y'all stay tuned because the real gems is in the middle of the video. Alright, so in this video, we about to talk about how to get 540 waves. Yes, sir, you see it. One of the best to do it. Big GB Wolf. Y'all see the rag, man? We killing. Shout out to the gang, the affiliates. Big Block A, man. So we about to do a quick wave check. Let's see what we're working with. Yes, sir. Y'all see the crown patch, man. Ooh, them things busting. Alright, so I recorded this video right when I woke up. Got out the shower. I need to put a good brush session in. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do my morning routine. So if you guys don't know, I start every session off with a softie. And of course, man, we gotta work around this crown. I'm gonna get some light crown work in this video. I'm just gonna show y'all my angles, man. I switched up some angles. I try to perfect this pattern. I'm maxing out my curl length. So if you ask me, I'm pretty much done with this pattern. Alright, so if you guys don't know, 2022 is gonna be the year I scalp. I started this pattern off straight curl length. I got a haircut, my hair was long, maybe like a 2 or 3 guard, and then I just started brushing. And it's been like that ever since. So I really want to try something new. I want to try scalping. I want to find my original crown. So that's all I gotta say. 2022 is finna go crazy. Stay tuned. So as y'all see here, I'm just hitting my top waves. We're not working too much on the crown. We just starting 1 or 2 waves under the crown. Here I'm gonna flick out. This is one of the gems that shout out to AG Wolf taught me. Flick out at that hairline. So for all my waivers, I just want y'all to remember, all angles are not the same. Due to head shape, some angles you might have to flick out like your hairline. Some angles you might have to tap because it's a transition area, and some angles you could drag. So just pay attention to the angles. So as you see here, I can drag my left side straight to my eyes. I don't have to worry about too much tapping because this is all one section of my head. And guys, don't get confused. When I say one section, I don't mean one angle. This is just my left side. This is one section. Alright, so for my beginner waivers, let's break down my right side. As you see, this is angle 2 and this is angle 1. I try to just remember that. My third angle, as you see here, is behind the ear. Then I'm gonna switch up to angle 2, which is in front of the ear, and angle 1 on this section is a flick out. So when I'm brushing angle 3, as you see here, it's my back waves. So I try to make sure I'm brushing with a nice flow. I don't want to just brush straight down. I gotta continue that third angle and brush through the ear. It gives me that little curve effect. It gives me that little hook I need right there. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna brush these back waves. Man, I did not realize I needed to taper this bad. Alright, so when I'm brushing my back waves at this angle, I'm only using the first half of the brush. Alright, so let's get it. It's time to brush this crown. I'm gonna give y'all a little crown work, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all how I brush my crown. So here I'm just lifting up the hair off my crown. I like to just tap. Shout out to AG again, man. That tap method really works. As you see, it gives me definition. And then I'm just gonna continue on to my top waves. As you see, one angle is straight, then I got a slight slant. Because of the hook, I have to have this slight slant. So just remember, you can choose how hard you want to slant your top. Me, I wanted more of a straight top, so I do have to have a bare minimum slant. So again, here's how I brush my right side. Alright, so now let's switch over to this left side. As you see, that's angle 1, almost through the ear, but in front of the ear. Then the next angle is going to be straight. This is angle 2. So as you see, that was angle 1. The back waves is part of my angle 1 just because it leads onto my left side. That angle right there, that's part of my angle 2 on my left side. Angle 3 would be part of my top waves. Oh shit. Alright, so we're gonna get into this crown. As y'all see, man, I like to get in there with my crown, man. I got a lot of hair, so I need to be very detailed when it comes down to my crown. Being that my hair is longer, sometimes I gotta manipulate my crown I gotta do what I gotta do in order to achieve the look that I'm really trying to achieve. So here I'm just gonna go in with the tip of the comb. We're gonna lift up everything, and then we're gonna comb it back into its place. So this back hook, I try to bring it around to the top waves. Being that I got a straight top, I have to let that flow properly. And when I'm brushing my crown, I always try to follow through. I don't want to just brush only my crown. So remember to follow through into your correct angles of the regular pattern. Alright, so let's get it. Now that I got everything in place, I'm gonna bring out this medium hard. I believe this is a 7 some, but this is a medium brush. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna tap around my crown, make sure I can lay those hairs down, and then we're gonna work into the pattern. Then we're gonna make sure everything else is laid down, the transition areas. We're gonna make sure everything's in place. So yeah, man, I'm about to just tap around my transition areas. As you see, back waves matter, crown matters. You got to tap around the crown. If you really want to perfect your pattern, you really want a flawless pattern, you really want elite waves, you got to pay attention to the little things. So yeah, man, I hope this video really helped out, man. I hope it's giving what it's supposed to give. I hope that if you clicked on this video looking for some gems on how to brush 540 waves, I hope this video really helped you out. And if it did, man, don't forget to hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to your boy, man. If you guys want in-depth details on how I brush, you can always catch me on IG. I'm always live on IG. If you follow me on Facebook, you can always DM me. I'm always willing to help my supporters, man. I really appreciate everybody that tunes in, that likes, that subscribes. I really appreciate you guys. Hey, and if you got any questions, you can always comment the questions down in the comment section. If you got any videos you want to request, any products you want me to review, man, comment down below. I'm here to provide the content for you guys. So let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys like to see, and I guarantee I can make that happen. So yeah, gang, my time here is up. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, it's at gifted_barber. And if you haven't already, man, smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. Till next video, it's your boy, GB Wolf. I'm out of here.